I almost forgot to mention that Texas has a pretty good chance at a big ice storm. I'm going to check that out in this update. Let's take a look at our American model guidance for this potential ice storm. And we're just going to take a look at the surface parameters again. So here we go. We have a stalled out stationary front, so classic for an ice storm. A good warm air mass and a cold air mass kind of battling together. And then we go by hour 30. There's where things start to get heated. Just a lot of friction going on here, a lot of clashing air masses. So it makes sense as to why they're going to get a lot of ice there in Texas, and then eventually it moves out to sea. But we're going to take a look at our NOAA ice storm totals because we're looking at a decent shot at some major icing. Let's take a look at that. So let's take a look at our ice potentials greater than. This is our winter precipitation guidance of NOAA, and this is actually freezing rain accumulation. So right there, we're going to zoom in a little bit. Is in the red is where we're going to see our primary threats for significant icing. We're talking about a 90 to 95% chance of seeing greater than 0.01 inches of ice. So, in other words, this is a pretty good chance that they're going to see some pretty decent, in fact, possibly even major icing. So, we're talking anywhere west of Dallas. Zoom in a little bit more, see if we can get some cities here. We see Abilene, Texas, Graham, Texas, Stephenville, Texas. It might be Stephenville, but I'm pretty sure it's Stephenville. Breckenridge, Albany, anywhere in the Pablo Mountains, Eastland area. So anywhere in this Texas area, in the mid to upper part of Texas, we're going to see some pretty decent chance of some icing here. So again, I don't recommend you going out on the roads for this ice storm because it's going to be pretty significant. And again, this threat shifts eventually eastward as we head into Wednesday, February 1st. Let's take a look at the chances. So, but again, this is going to be a prolonged threat. It's going to be, as you can see, we have the threat all the way from day one, from February 1st all the way to February 3rd. Some decent chance of some ice. So this is going to be a prolonged system, and it is not advised to drive in this type of weather. So again, big ice storm headed for Texas. Make sure you keep tuned to NOAA and your local national weather stations for this storm. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and have a great night.